Now we have learned reflective and emphasizing. Together we'll do an exercise and then you can fill in with suitable reflexive or emphatic pronoun in these sentences that I'll give you. Fill in with. Fill in with reflexive or emphatic. Or emphatic pronouns. Either emphatic or reflexive. You'll fill in with that. The first sentence we have here is you dash can complete it. Complete it. Then next we have we often talk to dash. Third, I always clean my room. The fourth one you have the table dash was broken. Next we have he helped dash to a lot of chocolate. The lion found. The lion found dash in a net. The book dash was colorful. He dash cooked the food. They did it. Dash. Now let's fill up either with the reflexive or emphatic pronoun. So you will say you yourself. You yourself can complete it. You yourself can complete it. Okay. You yourself can complete it. Then we often talk to ourselves. I always clean my room myself. Then we have the table dash was broken. The table itself. The table itself was broken. He helped dash he himself. He helped himself to a lot of chocolate. He helped himself to a lot of chocolates. The lion found itself. The lion found itself in a net. The book itself was colorful. Itself was colorful. He himself cooked the food. He himself cooked the food. They did it very good themselves. They did it themselves. They did it themselves. Now here we have learned to fill up the blank with reflexive or emphatic pronouns. First we filled in you yourself and completed. We often talk to ourselves. I often clean my room myself. The table itself was broken. He helped himself to a lot of chocolate. The lion found itself in a net. The book itself was colorful. He himself cooked the food and they did it themselves.